out to the stage, representing their pupu'ori, to a motu'api, te ea o te turama, and an independent dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, number 7, number 21, number 32. Something to shout about. Their expressions were on point. Great work, little ladies. They are the next generation of dancers moving it through. Just letting the judges do their final little tallies. Everybody good? All right, everybody, give it up for our 3 lovely young ladies. Number 7, number 21, number 32, representing their pupu'ori. Everyone should be so proud. How's that little one? She's a little squinchy nose, so pupuka. All right, so we are headed now into group competition, okay? So group competition,